So when we look at the leading causes of death in the United States, second is heart attack, third is cardiovascular disease, fourth is cancer, and number one is iatrogenic. Typically around 108,000 or more people a year die from inappropriate treatment. And what that means is they come in for one problem and they die of something. If someone comes in with a heart attack and they die of the heart attack, well, that's appropriate. If they come in with a heart attack and they die of an infection because the medications aren't being properly administered, that's another problem. And so what we see from the Western paradigm is it leaps from 0 to 100 miles an hour often. And in between that 0 and 100 miles an hour is a great, great place to do so-called alternative medicine. Because our risk is so small. I'm going to point out a little later, out of 499,000 doses of herbal medications that were given out by the Cleveland Clinic, which now has an herbal department. Wow. There were 3 very minor side effects. Someone got a headache, someone had itching, and someone got diarrhea. That's out of 499,000 doses. Aspirin is dramatically more dangerous than that. So if we look at combining this low risk, high success rate of Chinese medicine, and then if that doesn't work, which sometimes it doesn't, then we can look to stronger therapies.